Welcome! If you want to send multiple photos along with a comment to your Instagram group chat using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update, sharing batches of photos and adding your own message is now easier and more convenient than ever. No phone required. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the one that looks like a paper airplane or speech bubble. This is your messages icon. After clicking, you'll see a list of all your recent conversations. Find the group chat you want to send your photos to and click on it to open the conversation window. At the bottom of the message bar, right where you'd normally type a message, you'll notice a small photo icon. Click on this icon to start adding your photos. A File Explorer window will pop up. Choose the first photo you want to send and click Open. But don't click Send just yet. Right below the photo preview, you'll see an option that says Upload another photo, watch your video. Click on this and you can select more photos from your computer. Repeat this step for each additional photo you want to include in your message. Once you've selected all the photos you want to share, it's time to add your comment. Type your message in the text box just as you normally would. Take a moment to review your photos and your comment to make sure everything looks perfect. When you're ready, simply click Send. Your selected photos and your comment will be delivered together to your group chat in a single message. This new update makes it super convenient to share memories, ideas, or anything else you want with your friends or colleagues, all without needing to transfer files to your phone or use any third-party tools. Give it a try the next time you want to make your Instagram group conversations more visual and engaging. Happy sharing!